What's up, YouTube? It's Willie Rebuildz. Over here with the magnificent Mr.Random, baby. Whistle game.
Gang.
Y'all see it?
Y'all see it, get it in.
Whistle game, making a little few adjustments.
About to crank it up, gang. Out here with Willie Rebuildz.
About to put fire in the hole. Y'all see what it hitting for?
You hear me? Fuel line getting locked down. Big turbo.
Whistle game, baby.
You about to see if she gonna spin.
Whistle game. Y'all better watch out. Coming to a street near you. Don't play with midnight.
Yes, sir.
Fully built from the ground up.
Right, that's coming too.
Y'all see what it is under there? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? You done been warned already. Stay out the way. Midnight gonna turn Hellcats into calm kitty. Stay out the way. Don't be fooled.
We all stock, baby. We asleep over here.
Just a 6.
A little 6-0. 305 on the juice.
With the rebuild, sitting back today, taking lessons, watching Random turn all the wrenches.
You hear me? You about to crank it up, gang.
About to crank it up, put a little fire in the hole. Put a little fire in the hole. See what this turbo doing. First crank with the turbo installed. Untuned. Untuned, y'all see it? Random man over here putting in work, man. Getting the job done. Top to bottom. Top to bottom. Y'all see he doing the LS swap. He doing body and fender, paint. Got a little few runs, not too bad for his first paint job. Nothing to buffer. Little buff and cut can't get rid of. First paint job. Getting the job done. Really doing a full restoration.
Yes, sir.
Full restoration. And the LS swap. Right here in this garage.
Gang. Yeah,
Getting it done. It's a little short video for y'all. Over here with Random.
Y'all ready to see that fire in the hole?
Willie Rebuildz, over and out, YouTube. Y'all go check. Don't forget to go check him out, Mr. Random.